Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Shiksha. আজি এই ভিডিঅ'টোত লৈ আহিছোঁ টপ 20 GK MCQ. আগৰ ক্লাছত ডিছকাছ কৰিছোঁ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ 2024 আৰু লগতে আসাম হিষ্ট্ৰী। আমি এক্সামৰ কাৰণে অকল কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ 2024 খিনি চালে নহ'ব, 2023 খিনিও আমাৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়। এতিয়া আমাৰ আহিবলগীয়া যিখিনি এক্সাম আছে ADRE হওক বা আসাম পুলিচ হওক, তেনেকৈ অন্য কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামসমূহ আছে, এই সকলোখিনিৰ কাৰণে আমি 2023 কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছসমূহ চাই যাব লাগিব। যদিহে আপোনালোকে মোৰ চেনেলটো প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে চাইছে তেন্তে আগৰ ভিডিঅ'সমূহৰ লিংকবোৰ ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যন বক্সত দি থোৱা আছে, আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব পাৰিব। লেট ষ্টাৰ্ট দ্য টপিক। Question number 1. Which state has started the Pound Hansel Limited helicopter service? The option given here are option A, Kerala, B, Madhya Pradesh, C, Assam, D, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option number C, Assam. Question number 2. By which year Himachal Pradesh has set a target of becoming green energy state? The options given here are option A 2025, B 2026, C 2027, D 2028. The correct answer is option number A 2025. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is summer capital Simla and winter capital is Dharamshala. Question number 3. In the year 2023, how many children have been given the Prime Minister's National Child Award? The options given here are option A 8, B 11, C 12, D 15. The correct answer is option number B 11. The award has been given in the field of 6 categories. These are innovation, social service, scholastic, sports, art and culture, and bravery. Question number 4. Which community people celebrate Batho Puja? The options given here are option A, Boro, B, Missing, C, Karbi, D, Assamese. The correct answer is option number A, Boro. Question number 5. Which country has got the world's first fully operational swarm drone system? The options given here are option A, China, B, Pakistan, C, Bhutan, D, India. The correct answer is option number D, India. Question number 6. Assam Rifles has celebrated which anniversary of its raising day on 24th March 2023? The options given here are option A 155, B 180, C 188, D 190. The correct answer is option number C 188. Question number 7. Who has been re-elected as FIFA president till 2027? The options given here are option A, Gianni Infantino, B, Kapil Dev, C, Craig Fulton, D, none of the above. The correct answer is option number A, Gianni Infantino. Question number 8. Asia's largest Tulip Garden has been opened to the public in which state or union territory? The options given here are option A, Goa, B, Jammu and Kashmir, C, Ladakh, D, Kerala. The correct answer is option number B, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 9. The 4th Asian Kho-Kho Championship for both men and women has started in which state? The options given here are option A, Madhya Pradesh, B, Karnataka, C, Assam, D, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option number C, Assam. Winner team was India. তাৰপিছত ক'ত অৰ্গেনাইজ কৰা হৈছিল? ইন তামুলপুৰ, বাক্সা ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অফ আছাম। তাৰপিছত খো-খোত 12টা প্লেয়াৰ থাকে, 9 ইন দ্য ফিল্ড, 3 এক্সট্ৰা। তাৰপিছত ছেকেণ্ড মষ্ট, আৰু ইট ইজ দ্য ছেকেণ্ড মষ্ট পপুলাৰ গেম আফটাৰ কাবাডী। Question number 10. In which state Assam Festival is celebrated? The options given here are option A, Nagaland, B, Mizoram, C, Manipur, D, Meghalaya. The correct answer is option number C, Manipur. It is a festival of colors. Question number 11. Which of the following is Assam's first child-friendly police station? The options given here are option A, Dispur Police Station, B, Dibrugarh Police Station, C, Mongoldoy Police Station, D, Borolamuk Police Station. The correct answer is option number D, Borolamuk Police Station. It is a part of Assam Police Shishu Mitra. The initiative have been taken up by Government of Assam and Assam Police under Act 2015, Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Child. Question number 12. On which day CM Trans was launched by Assam Govt? The options given here are option A 1st May, B 13th May, C 6th June, D 21st June. The correct answer is option number B 13th June. CM Trans stands for CM Transport Randomized Allocation Network System. It was launched by CM on the bank of mighty river Brahmaputra. Question number 13. Which state has launched the Shakti Yojana scheme? The options given here are option A Kerala, B Assam, C Madhya Pradesh, D Karnataka. The correct answer is option number D Karnataka. Shakti Yojana is a free public bus travel for women and transgender. Question number 14. Which of the following is the first pre-induction night launch conducted by DRDO? The options given here are option A, Agni Prime, B, Agni 1, C, Agni 2, D, Agni 3. The correct answer is option number A, Agni Prime. It is a ballistic missile. It was successful from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha on 7th June 2023. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. Question number 15. Which of the following company has partnered with ISRO for Gaganyaan? The options given here are option A Tata Alexi, B Reliance, C Adani Group, D Ador Group. The correct answer is option number A Tata Alexi. Question number 16. Who has launched the new version of Girl Empowerment Mission GEM on April 2024? The options given here are option A National Commission for Women, B Niti Aayog, C NTPC Limited, D Ministry of Women and Child Development. The correct answer is option number C NTPC Limited. It was established in the year 1975. NTPC Limited stands for National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. This program is in line with the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao initiative of the government of India. The initiative was taken on 2018. Question number 17. Which of the following bank launch I am Adyar, Adyar is me campaigning? The options given here are option A World Bank, B Asian Development Bank, C Federal Bank, D BRICS Bank. The correct answer is option number C Federal Bank. Question number 18. The headquarters of World Bank is located in which city? The options given here are option A Paris, B Shanghai, C Washington DC, D Tokyo. The correct answer is option number C Washington DC. It was established in the year 1944. Member countries 189. Our president was Ajay Banga. Question number 19. World's biggest dry fish market is located in. The options given here are option A Guwahati, B Jagirod, C Nagaon, D Bokakhat. The correct answer is option number B Jagirod. It is located in Morigaon district of Assam. Then, last but not the least, question number 20. Which of the following ministry has launched Nandi Portal? The options given here are option A, Ministry of Education, B, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, C, Ministry of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries, D, none of the above. The correct answer is option number C, Ministry of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fishery. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.